Now students, question number 4 of exercise 1.2. In the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. Means you have to given two sets. You have to check the sets which are given to you, they are equal or not. Now before knowing the sets are equal or not, we have to check the number of elements in set A and B. They are same or not. Then after we will count the number of elements in both the set. If the number of elements in both the set also come same, that means their cardinal numbers are equal and the used element in both the sets are same, then definitely the given sets are equal. Here the elements used in set is A, B, C, D, and the element used in set D is already they are same, A, B, C, D. Here the sequence are different, and in this set sequence are other than B. So I told you earlier the sequence doesn't matter, right? To write in a set, the sequence of elements doesn't matter in a set. Sequence का कोई मतलब नहीं होता है, ठीक है? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और यूज एलिमेंट्स का मतलब है। देखिए इसमें भी ABCD है, इसमें भी ABCD है, तो यूज एलिमेंट वही है, कोई कम ज्यादा नहीं है, और नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट भी 4 है, इसमें भी 4 है। तो सिंस यूज्ड एलिमेंट in both sets are same and A is equal to B. This implies A is equal to B. A और B क्या है? Equal. About second part, here the number of elements in set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number of elements at B is same 1, 2, 3, 4. Used elements are already same. So therefore, used element in both sets are same and NA is equal to NB. This implies set A is equal to set B. Now, third part, here the set is A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is the first 5 multiple of 2, and set B is x as a positive even integer and x is less than 10, less than equal to 10. Since A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and B is 10 से छोटे या 10 के इक्वल even integers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this implies used element in both sets are same and NA is equal to NB. This implies A is equal to B. In second part, here it is 16 and it is written here 18, and here it is 12, it is written 16. Used elements both sets are not same. It is not same. Whereas the number of elements are same, but used elements are not same, so A doesn't equal to set B. Okay. Now fourth part, A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10 and B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Now you have to check set A and set B are equal or not. Now set A is written in segmental form. So first of all we will write set A in roster form. So A is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 10. That means the elements which contain this set, they are 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. And set B is 10, 15, 20, 25, 3 and so on. Now student, we can observe in set A, the elements which are used in set A, they are multiple of 10. And set B, the elements which are used, they are multiple of 5 और 10. 5 से भी कटने वाले हैं और 10 से भी कटने वाले हैं. So here some elements are missing. They are not present in A. 15, 25 है ना, ये सब नहीं है इसमें. यानी कि number of elements are not same. And cardinal number, it goes endlessly. So used elements are not same. है ना? So since some elements of B are not in A, some elements of set B are not in set A. This implies set A not equal to set B. Okay.